Right. Let's start with the Nasdaq. Bit of a deep dive here. Let's go out to a daily. Hello. Hello, Nasdaq. All right. Bit of conflict. We're in a pretty squeezy time period. A lot of hedge funds did pile into shorts down through here, and they're getting squeezed a couple of times. What does this look like from a distance as we zoom out? Pretty standard head shoulders pattern. And we're in the right shoulder. Now the first time it worked this right shoulder and picked up the 50-day from underneath. Used a lot of energy to get there. Nvidia reporting. A lot of hype at the time. And faded pretty badly. But to its credit, it has recovered that very quickly. Lots of solid moves here. Volatility's quite high. Could go anywhere to the tune of 2% any day. Now, my book is long metal stocks and short a bit of index here, as it has been since here basically. So the metal stocks have been doing pretty well. Just to give you some context, take this basket here for example. It's recovered up through here pretty well. This is done pretty well in here. While that Nasdaq short's been squeezing, it's been moving as well. So I'm all right overall. It's just a matter of deciding what to do here with the short leg. So we go back to that. And don't be a damn fool about it. If you're going to stop out of the short side, decide why. I wouldn't do it here because we've squeezed twice into the top of a right shoulder. Now what a right shoulder is it's the squeezing of the people who've decided to short the top. That's what happens. Now every time they get squeezed, they're out of the market. Less people playing. So it's harder to squeeze. Right? So eventually you run out of squeezable ammo and it continues to put the top in place. Now all head and shoulders patterns feel squeezy on the right shoulder. So you don't want to stop this side here. If you're entered in here and you're only roughly where you are, at your entry point, it's not the time to stop just here, because this could easily just be the right. It formed two left shoulders. It can form two right ones. It's not perfectly symmetrical, but you have to watch it carefully. It is through the 50-day. Got to take that into account. But all the things that were calling this a top earlier are still exactly the same. The breadth is very, very narrow. There might be some hype for Nvidia. Great stock, fantastic, good on them. But I've said time and time again, by definition, if you're hanging the whole market on one stock, then it's too narrow. And the breadth of this is very, very narrow. So you still got your right shoulder, head and shoulder top. You've still got the 50-day moving average extraordinarily distant from the 200. You're still very stretched. You've still got everything in place that caused this move in here. And all you're seeing here is a little microcosm of the same thing here. Way too many people got too short and the squeeze has been enormous. So you're sort of looking right today, you've got a squeeze within a squeeze. Hence feel pretty squeezy. Well, you're so squeezy. Now, it's 10:30. We got some data just come out. We did have some PCI, core PCI number, PCE, which is a little bit of an inflation number. Let's go have a quick look at that. It didn't seem to do much to the market. Got gold and silver moving. So it might be a little deflationary. Oh, it's not showing us printed yet, but it has printed. Well, anyway, let's go back and have a look at the price action. Price action on the 5 minute. That's a daily. Let's go to the 5 minutes so we can get a sense of what this data's doing. Okay, gold, punchy. Okay, so it must be a little bit dovish. Gold, silver, NASDAQ. Yeah, everything's going to decide to do it all again. 10's back down. Okay, these are not big moves, but if people are trying to avoid the squeeze and you're going to get reason to keep squeezing, here we go. So clearly the data is, I wish I could see, here it is, 3.7 versus 3.8. So basically they're saying, oh, it's not a problem. It's not worse. It's not ugly. As long as it's not ugly, then we'll keep squeezing. Just wondering what this corporate profits number is. Oh, that's a good number. Could be good for equities there. Hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. This could squeeze again here. Corporate profits Q1Q preliminary? They're expecting minus 5%. It's coming plus. Hang on. Just sending a bit of a note here. Yes, could get a bit squeezy. The thing is, where do you reinstate it? Where the hell do you reinstate it? Ugh. I mean, if it breaks up above here and it's above the 50, then the right shoulder's getting negated. You can't be a damn fool about it. It's an interesting thing when the technicals are telling you that your thesis is not working at the moment, but you have to take it seriously. Ugh. Weird. It's already squeezed. It's already in. It's already in. All right. Well, here we are. In the hour lead up. Let's have a look at some of the stocks leading up. Oh God. Wow, Nvidia looks like it's going to go again. Looks like it's going to go again. Let's have a look at a daily. I mean, they could just push it to 680 for the hell of it. I mean, it's outside all bounds. It really is. Go anywhere. It could go anywhere. It could just be the big black hole that everyone buys. Yep. think it goes again. I mean, it's extraordinary. Like I said, you'd be mad to be a linear short. If you got a short with options, your options go to God. It doesn't matter. Would not linear short this at all. And even if you buy it, they're gonna probably buy every dip because the story's just too compelling at the moment. That could last another year. It could just last another year. And the earnings are just exploding. The trouble is, I don't think I can buy it with the way my stupid account works. Oh shit, I don't want you to see that. What am I doing? God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. Oh, I've got to stop. Hang on.